Go forward camera raw from filter. Go to color mixer. Instead of adjusting color, saturation, or brightness one by one, select this targeted adjustment tool icon. This small tab opens instantly, and from here, having the hue selected, hover over the image with your mouse. You see these two color bubbles appear next to your cursor, and they adjust their color tone depending where your cursor resides on the image. Once you click on your left mouse button, a color slider will appear. Move your cursor left to right or vice versa to define the color tone. If you place your cursor on a white area, it just tells you that there are no colors that can be sampled. If you want to go delete this new tone or want to undo, use Ctrl and Z or click on the three dots icon and select Reset to open. You can adjust the saturation again in the same way. Luminance as well. This tone curve icon enables you to adjust shadows and highlights.